Hello dental implant fans, Alina Naraki here. In today's video, the question we answer will be, what are the alternatives to dental implants? So of course, to begin with, I'd like to mention that dental implants are the superior treatment option. However, if for whatever reason the alternatives are needing to be picked, then the closest alternative to restoring your most chewing capacity would be to have a bridge supported by your adjacent teeth. The bridge option is a good option. It's an aesthetic option and it's a permanent option. However, it will never last as long as a single tooth implant replacement. Second option or alternatives to implants would be dentures. So if there is multiple teeth are missing or even a couple of teeth are missing, anything can happen in the shape of a partial or complete denture, and that would be the next alternative. And of course, the last alternative, which is the worst out of all, is to do absolutely nothing. That would be another alternative, the cheapest one, but this would not allow to restore aesthetics, and neither will it allow to restore the chewing activity. The most important thing is to restore as many teeth as soon as you lose them to preserve the integrity of the adjacent teeth that are still in the mouth. Thank you so much for watching. That was Alina Naraki from Dental Arts San Diego.